In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely connect your bank to the app using a quick QR code setup. We'll walk through each screen together so you know exactly what to tap, why it matters, and what to expect along the way. First, open the app and look to the left side of your screen for the navigation panel. Find settings there and tap it. This is where you manage account preferences and all your connected services, so it's the right place to start. Inside settings, locate the option labeled Bank Connections. Tap that to open the banking section. Here you'll see controls for linking and managing the financial accounts you want to use with the app. Next, select Connect My Bank. This begins the secure linking process. You may see a brief explanation about how your data is handled. It's just confirming that the app will use an approved connection method to talk to your bank. When you're ready, tap Let's Go. This moves you into the guided setup. If you're prompted with a short checklist or info screen, continue by tapping Continue. These screens are designed to inform you about permissions and the steps that follow. You'll now be asked to allow the connection. Tap Allow to grant the necessary permissions. This authorization lets the app verify your account and pull only the details needed for the features you intend to use, like balances or transactions, without sharing sensitive credentials. Next, choose your bank from the list. If there's a search bar, start typing the bank's name to find it faster. Make sure you pick the correct institution, especially if your bank has multiple versions or business divisions. You'll see a QR code on your screen. Follow the prompt to scan this code. Hold your camera steady and keep the entire code in frame until it's recognized. Good lighting helps, and keeping the code fully visible makes scanning faster. If it doesn't scan right away, check that camera access is allowed and try again. Once the QR code is scanned, your bank and the app establish a secure connection in the background. Keep the app open until you see confirmation that the link is complete. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and secure. From here, your connected account is ready to use in the app. Thanks for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, you're all set to link